welcome to our channel today, which is Math You Happy. So today we are going to teach the chapter 6, form 4 of chapter 6, which is about linear inequality, and it is presented by me, Mr. Fu Sheng. So now we're gonna kickstart our chapter. So before we start our chapter, so do subscribe and like our video so that we can gain more followers and can let more people to learn more knowledge about us. So next. So before that, let's have a small recap. So as we know that we have learned during our Form 1 and Form 2s, we have learned about something like this symbol that show in this here is more greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, greater than and less than symbol. So you have learned this thing during our Form 1 Form 2 session. So for example, for greater than or equal to, so when x is greater than or equal to 5, so x is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 20 until 1000, 100. Any number include 5 and more than 5 is indicates with this symbol. And for less than or equal to, so which is any number is less than or included 5, which is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, negative 1, negative, negative 3, until negative 1000 something, or it included x, this symbol. And besides, in other way, the greater than 5, if x is greater than 5, x is equal to 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So do take note about this. As x greater than 5 is not, the number of this 5 is not included in the number that we're going to say. So when you say x is greater than 5, that means our x is only 6 more than 5 only, which is 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And for less than, it's also the same issue here, which we did not include x smaller than 5, which is we're going to include x equals to 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, negative 1, negative 3, and until the end. So next, let us kickstart our first question. So first we're going to do some real life question, which is stated here. The prices of 1 kg mango and 1 kg of durian are 15 ringgit and 17 ringgit respectively. So Pak Ahmed had less than 510 and want to buy X kg of mango and Y kg of durian with a total mass of durian which is not more than the total mass of mango. So we are given 3 questions to be solved, which is first, write 2 linear inequality other than x greater than or equal to 0 and y greater than or equal to 0 that represent the given situation. So next we're going to solve is draw and shade the region that satisfy the linear inequalities. And next we're going to, based on the graph, we're going to state the maximum mass of durian that can be bought by Pak Ahmed. So here, so we're gonna first solve the first question. So from this condition, when you read through the words one by one, we know that the price of 1 kg of mango is equivalent to 15 ringgit and 1 kg of durian represents 17 ringgit, which shown in the first sentence. This stated that the price of 1 kg mango and 1 kg durian are 15 ringgit and 17 ringgit respectively. So the respectively, the words right here indicates that 1 kg of mango indicates the first prices with 15 ringgit and 1 kg of durian, which is the second price with 17 ringgit. And Pak Ahmed have less than 510, so want to buy X kg or unknown X mass of mango and Y kg of durian. Well, Y is the unknown mass of durian. So as Pak Ahmed had less than 510, and also if you see the next sentence, the total mass of durian, which is Y, and the total mass of Y is not more than the total mass of mango. So Y cannot be not more than x. So in this case, we're going to state our inequality in the form as this. So as our Pak Ahmed has less than 510 ringgit, so we're going to write the equation as 15 times 15 is equal to 1 kg. So if we want to buy an unknown kg of mango, we're going to multiply the price, it becomes unknown 15x plus 17y, which is the price of our durian with an unknown y, which is as 1 kg of durian is 17 ringgit, and so that an unknown y kg of durian is 17y. So we plus 15x plus 17y should less than 510. So less than means that our symbol I just stated just now is less. So this is a less than symbol, 510. So this is our first scenario. And for the second scenario, so not the total mass of durian is not more than the total mass of mango. So as you see here, our total mass of mango is not more than. So what does not more than mean? So not more than, it means it may be less and also may be equal to. So as long as it is not more than, so that qualifies the whole situation, which is less than or equal to, which is our y mass of durian is less than or equal to y, or equal to x. Yeah, so we have created these two linear inequality here. Our two conditions have been created through the scenario that you see through the questions here. So as the first one is 15x plus 17y, which is 15x is the price of mango, unknown price of mango, and 17y, unknown price of durian, is less than 510 ringgit. And for this second condition is which the mass of durian y is not more than or as we said just now is less than or equal to x. So next, we're going to draw our graph out. So 15x plus 70y is smaller than 510. So we're going to write in respect to y. So if we rearrange our whole equation respectively to y, we're going to get this equation here. Y is smaller than negative 15 per 17x plus 30. So we're going to plot the graph out. So when you want to draw and shade the region, so we're going to draw the graph out at the graph paper. So this is a small example that I draw using Excel. So you may draw it on the graph paper by your own. So as well, we put two coordinates which I choose 0 and 17. So I get a whole number which is 30 and 15. So I'm going to plot it on here. And also for y smaller than x, we're going to plot the y smaller and equal to x. We're going to plot a graph of y equal to x, which is going to, I sub two numbers, so 0 and 20, we got also 0 and 20. So I plot the graph here. So besides things that I need to take note is, I'm going to recover something that's useful too. So as you see that why is this line here is dotted, while this is a whole line, whole completed line. So in this case, we're going to talking about y is more than or less than, more than or equal to, and less than or equal to when we're dealing with equation with greater than equal to or smaller than equal to. Our line is a whole straight line, so like not as a dotted line here. So why is it like that? So as we know just now, we have stated that when we use just more than x, which is x is not or less than x, which means x here is not included in the equation, so in the line. So our line is not included on the region that the situation they're going to go, which is just now we said x is more than 5. So 5 is not included in the set there, the set of notation there. So our shade of region, we're gonna shade it here and shade it here. So and also another thing to take notes here is that so in this line you see this is a y equal to x line. So when our y is greater and equal to x, our shaded region is the above region. When our y is less than and equal to x, our region is at the lower region, which means when it's greater, so it's above the line. So the region we're going to shade is above the line. We're going to draw this region darker, and then here is draw this region like darker if our condition is y is smaller and equal to x. And it's applied the same with the diagram in the right side, which is y is more than x, which in this case, like when we are more than x, we're going to shade the upper region, and when we are less than x, we're going to shade the lower region. Yeah, so but then the graph here is dotted line, as x is not, the line is not included in the shaded region, so we're going to plot it dotted line. So yeah, these things also apply to negative graph too, which is here I give a condition with y equal to negative x, which greater than equal to negative x is the region above the line, and y smaller than and equal to negative x is the below region, which apply to here also the same condition too, but with the dotted line. So next, we're gonna go back to our question. So yep, so we have plotted this graph here. Yep, so we should get, this is our 15x plus 17y equal to 510. So this is a dotted line, as our condition we get is 15x plus 17y is smaller than, so less than, which is not equal to, so only less than, so our graph is dotted line. However, for in this case, is less than and equal to, so our line is a complete line, so it's not a dotted line. So as here we see it's smaller than, so smaller than, which means the region down below our line. So this is our region below our line and not upper our line, so it's below our line. And also apply the same with the y less than or equal to x, which is the below the line. So we got, so the region that we're going to shade is the region that's overlaps, like satisfy, like same for the both condition, which this condition and this condition is satisfied, which is these two conditions is get through it. So we're going to get the same region here, which is our answer here, which is the shaded region. So satisfy both inequalities. Satisfy is here means that the shaded region applicable, which is can be used for both in linear inequality. So as both are less than, so both are below the line, so which is here. And then also when we draw the graph, do stated our zero origin here, clear sign, and x-axis and y-axis with a clear sign. So when we are exam, so do take note about it, and also write out the name of the equation of our graph. So without this, you may lose your marks during your exam. Next, we're going to state the C question, which is based on the graph. State the maximum mass of durian that can be bought. So as we stated just now, durian is our y-axis. So y-axis. So the maximum amount, which is the most amount of durian that can be bought, based on the shaded region here. So as we show at the upper side, we found that at the y equal to 16, which is our maximum point for the shaded region area. So for this point show that it is the maximum mass of durian, which is 16 kg. Yeah. So because this shaded region applicable with the condition, like both two conditions just now. So when we go based on this graph, the graph means the shaded region here, and the maximum mass of durian, which is y, the maximum y is 16. So now we have solved our first question. That's good job if any students can get it correct. And now that's the end for our video today. Thanks for watching for it, and feel free to leave your feedbacks on the form in the description below, so that we can become better and become more engageable to you all, and give travelers more knowledge to you all. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.